Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to scan QR code on your iPhone. It's very simple process. No need to install any kind of third-party application. You can use my tips and tricks, scan QR code without any third-party application. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So we will go as a mobile screen. So now I will show you which QR code I am just scanning here. So this is a QR code. We can move forward as a mobile screen and just I scan this QR code and show you what exactly going on this particular QR code. So let's start as a mobile screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here your camera application and scan XYZ QR code and look at this. I just simply scan this QR code and what exactly information available in this particular QR code. So here PayPal related options are come in this particular QR code. So I just simply scan this QR code and open my PayPal account. It's very simple process. I will show you one more. I just simply open here another QR code. So look at this. I open this particular QR code and I scan this QR code using same camera application, and what exactly available this QR code I scan and press here, and inside the QR code my YouTube channel is available here. So using your camera application on, especially on your iPhone, you can scan QR code and open the particular website fraction of second. No need to install third-party application. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.